Now you are studying in a private school, no? And your uniform is given by government to you. No, you can afford, but everyone can afford that that you can tell by pointing.
They also want to learn English. Only English private school do that. And some that worldwide known footballer and cricketer, they were also poor. They changed their mentality. School were established to change the mentality of the student. They motivate the school.
And I want to ask you one question that our ancestor or Rishi Munis, they are not wearing uniform, but they are wearing us dress, no? But they are more intelligent than us. What impact on their education? They are more intelligent than us.
Now you can listen. That at that time, I have told in my speech also. At that time, there used to be only one, and they study in gurukuls, not school like this. And at that time, there is only one gurukul, and they study in same. Yes, they have. Yes, you are telling ancestor used to wear. Why are you now changing your point? Yeah, you are just now. Yeah, you have given everyone has listened that ancestor used to, and I want to complete my point that ancestor they used to study in Gurukul, and there is used to be one Gurukul in whole community, and everyone know that they are studying in that Gurukul, and they also have one proper dress, not like everything they can wear, and at that time there is no like they have no concept also. I think now it has developed very concept. Yes. You said that my parents want me to study in private school and their efforts, so I study in private school. And at that time there are many communities in at one place, and many schools. There are many schools in one place. Now we are talking about this Bapunde. Then also there are 2, 3, 4 many schools. How can we recognize them if they are not there? There will be no uniform.
You are talking about concept, no? Our Rishi Munis has already find the distance between sun to earth and the speed of light, which we have to take on find, which we have to take a lot of time to find that. But Rishi Munis find it 2000 years ago.
And you just said that your father can afford, your parents can afford school uniform and send it to your school. And those parents who are poor, they also have a desire to, they also have desire to send their children in private school and learn many things. And that time of ancestors, that there is not much thing like currency exists, so they can go. And what about the poor parents that have desire to send their students in private school but can't afford?
I think, and I want to say that that every parents want to study their kids in private school, and I don't think they if they want, then they can study, and they can afford, then they can study in government school also. They are also providing good education, but we should not like close private school also. There are many administrations, and we should run the private school also. So all of them are not moving to government school, but those who can afford, who can afford the dresses or any books copy, they can study in private school. But those who can afford, then they can study in government school, and they are also providing good education. I want to ask a question. You tell school uniform is necessary, no? But tell me that what is the amount of a tracksuit and short frock? Is the school uniform are cheaper than other clothes?
Okay, now you study in this private school, so you know that Nepal is a developing country. So if that government school do not provide that uniform and make uniform free, and they just invested that money of uniform to the country for development, our country can be developed.
I think all of we are using social media. Yes? And we all are seeing that some school of terrorism, some government school of terrorism, there are no teachers, and they are showing they are no teacher to teach anything, and the student of grade 10, they don't know alphabet also. Then how can you prove that all the government school provide good education?
So, as teacher told, we are not the person who could answer the questions. Yeah, we are not in that big post to answer this type of bad big questions. So you can ask when you become big person, then you can ask to representative. Yeah. Now you are telling you are studying in private school. Your parents can afford, but I want to ask, you are also in private school and you are also wearing school uniform. Why do you wear if it is not necessary? You can come in school without wearing school dress and wearing outside clothes. No, why are you coming school wearing school? You should follow the rules and regulation of school. Then you are wearing school uniforms and coming to school. At government school, some places, remote area, there is no rules and regulation, good facilities, so they are not getting education. But now private schools need, private and both government school need uniforms to represent their schools and their schools to higher levels.
Yes, I accept that I study in private school, but this is the school rule, and this debate is about to abolish the school uniform.
In our school also there is three types of dress. We need to buy all types of dress like tracksuit or two types of short frock. But if we buy one other dress, it will be enough for 1 month or more than 1 month. No?
I think I have answered this question many times, and they are not understanding and just clapping without understanding anything. I think you guys can ask some questions because you have clapped many times. So I want. Then why are you clapping? You don't know. You don't understand the question. You don't understand the concept, and you are like, if anyone now they are all clapping and they don't know what the concept. They don't understand because their friend are like talking. Then they just don't understand anything. They just clapping. It is good to support friend, but don't support like that. You are not understanding them and just start supporting them. Just understand the question first.
Friend, I think you are forgetting the rules. You can't point and blame to anyone. You, all of they are who are present, they are clapping, but why you are pointing to him also, him only.
And she's right, I know. She's right because first listen carefully and logical things should be discussed, not over and over the same thing repeating, and then yeah, it is irritating. Still, you should not go in that way. You can't be aggressive. We will have fight, but we'll fight through our words and thoughts. Let's not do that. And it is an initiation. New. We are practicing. For first time it happens. That is okay. Now please make sure each one of you have to have a one question at least. Okay, then this debate will be fruitful. Not only two of them are fighting each other kind of things. And why? What is the use of you people are here for? Just for clap? We don't want such people in school, right? And all of you are in uniform. How good you people are looking. Okay, so it is an identity, and obviously you don't want to wear your uniform. Don't wear it, but outside the school. Inside is required. Okay, I'm not on and against it yet. Okay, finally I'll tell my thought also at the last. What should be for now? Still there are, or grade 10 is almost done. If grade 10s are done, I would like to transfer to grade 9 now. What to do? Grade 10, Sarah, something to conclude? Summarize, something to conclude by yourself regarding your topic. You would like to clarify anything and make everything clear? Do that and we'll move forward to grade 9. At least on your topic, what you are supporting.
Okay, I really want to ask if uniforms are really mandatory in learning things. Of course,
It's not that schools who don't wear students who don't wear uniforms are as bad as those who wear uniforms. I've seen many students who've worn uniform and done bad deeds, in school and outside of school wearing their respective schools uniforms. And it's not that common, but it happens. And it's not that if students don't wear uniform, they're not in discipline and they're not following school's rules and regulations. Someone's clothes doesn't have to do with anything, considering education and their perception and who they are. Their clothes do not. We should not judge others on the basis of what they wear. Yeah. But in my opinion, I feel like schools should at least let students wear what they want once in a week. Like Wednesday or Friday, they should at least let students wear what they want, except their school uniforms, to express who they are through their clothes. And their clothes also represent their personality. Clothes are not just to show off. Clothes are some things that you wear to make yourself feel good. It's not to show off to others. That's it.